Are you planning to take the Master Plumber Licensure examination? Then, this is for you. Welcome to Master Plumber Review and Refresher. Answer the following set of questions carefully. Without further ado, let's start.
Question number 1. A pump is used to increase the pressure in a water supply line. Letter A, sump pump. Letter B, rotary pump. Letter C, booster pump. Letter D, jet pump. The answer is letter C, booster pump. Question number 2. A fire class that identifies flammable liquids or gases. Letter A, type K. Letter B, type B. Letter C, type C. Letter D, type D. The answer is letter B, type B. Question number 3. These are pH neutral, making it ideal for use in hot tubs. Using this type of chlorine will not affect the pH of your hot tub water. Letter A, dichlor. Letter B, trichlor. Letter C, sodium hypochlorite. Letter D, calcium hypochlorite. The answer is letter A, dichlor. Question number 4. It is the pipe extension of a solid or waste stack above the highest horizontal drain connected to the stack. Letter A, VSTR. Letter B, yoke vent. Letter C, relief vent. Letter D, SVTR. The answer is letter D, SVTR. SVTR stands for stack vent through roof. Question number 5. Water supply pipe connecting the fixture with the fixture branch. Letter A, building supply. Letter B, service pipe. Letter C, building pipe. Letter D, fixture supply. The answer is letter D, fixture supply. Question number 6. Chlorine gas is considered to be 100% pure, bleach is approximately 5.25% pure, while HTH dry powder chlorine is set at blank purity. Letter A, 20%. Letter B, 45%. Letter C, 65%. Letter D, 80%. The answer is letter C, 65%. Question number 7. A receptacle installed at corner wall that collects rainwater from a balcony. Letter A, scupper drain. Letter B, downspout. Letter C, roof drain. Letter D, beehive roof drain. The answer is letter B, downspout. Question number 8. Situation or situations that requires the use of a deep seal P-trap. Letter A, extreme heat condition in the area. Letter B, circumstances where total ventilation is unobtainable. Letter C, increase or decrease in atmospheric pressure. Letter D, all of these. The answer is letter D, all of these. Question number 9. Water has its greatest specific weight at a temperature of blank. Letter A, 4 degrees Celsius. Letter B, 20 degrees Celsius. Letter C, 0 degrees Celsius. Letter D, 60 degrees Celsius. The answer is Letter A, 4 degrees Celsius. Question number 10. Fixture connections that require the removal of an access panel for servicing are considered blank. Letter A, not accessible. Letter B, readily accessible. Letter C, accessible. Letter D, exposed. The answer is letter C, accessible. Question number 11. Minimum depth of floor drain outlet to crown of drain pipe. Letter A, 1 inch. Letter B, 1.5 inches. Letter C, 2 inches. Letter D, 4 inches. The answer is letter C, 2 inches. Question number 12. Things to consider when sizing the hot water tank. Letter A, building design. Letter B, occupants. Letter C, water heating capacity. Letter D, all of these. The answer is letter B, occupants. Question number 13. For floor-mounted water closets, a water closet flange is attached to the piping and permanently secured to the building. For concrete floors, the flange blank. Letter A, is screwed to the floor. Letter B, sits on the floor. Letter C, is nailed to the floor. Letter D, connects to the carrier. The answer is letter B, sits on the floor. Question number 14. CISPI stands for blank. Letter A, Cast Iron Soil Piping International. Letter B, Cast Iron and Soil Pipe Institute. Letter C, Cast Iron Soil Pipe International. Letter D, Cast Iron Soil Pipe Institute. The answer is letter D, Cast Iron Soil Pipe Institute. Question number 15. It is when the disease affects a large number of people at the same time and transcends community boundaries. Letter A, endemic. Letter B, epidemic. Letter C, pandemic. Letter D, sporadic. The answer is letter C, pandemic. Question number 16. The recommended maximum permissible flow in a stack is blank of the total cross-sectional area of the stack. Letter A, 3/4. Letter B, 2/3. Letter C, 7/24. Letter D, 7/11. The answer is letter C, 7/24. Question number 17. Trough urinals shall be blank. Letter A, permissible if constructed of concrete. Letter B, required in large assemblies. Letter C, allowed in all vehicle terminals. Letter D, prohibited. The answer is letter D, prohibited. Question number 18. The blank should always be located on the discharge side of the check valve so that it can be closed, and the check valve serviced. Letter A, shut-off valve. Letter B, air valve. Letter C, plug valve. Letter D, pressure regulator valve. The answer is letter A, shut-off valve. Question number 19. The combination of fittings that may be used to make an offset and is considered a vertical pipe. Letter A, 190 degrees and 145 degrees. Letter B, 145 degrees and 145 degrees. Letter C, 290 degrees and 145 degrees. Letter D, 145 degrees and 160 degrees. The answer is letter B, 145 degrees and 145 degrees. Question number 20. A type of meter is used when the water flow widely fluctuates. Letter A, nutating disc, nodding, meters. Letter B, compound meters. Letter C, proportional meters. Letter D, Venturi meters. The answer is letter B, compound meters. Question number 21. Minimum clearance from a terminal and a window opening in a building. Letter A, 10 feet. Letter B, 12 feet. Letter C, 16 feet. Letter D, 18 feet. The answer is letter A, 10 feet. Question number 22. Regardless of how frequently or what system you use to add chlorine to the water, the chlorine level should stay blank to maintain a healthy pool. Letter A, between 1.0 and 3.0 ppm. Letter B, between 1.5 and 3.0 ppm. Letter C, between 1.0 and 2.5 ppm. Letter D, between 1.5 and 2.0 ppm. The answer is letter A, between 1.0 and 3.0 ppm. ppm stands for parts per million. Question number 23. These are designed to flow at half-full capacity to a maximum of 3/4 full under uniform flow conditions so as to prevent violent pneumatic pressure fluctuations and the development of hydraulic pressures. Letter A, house drains. Letter B, main sewers. Letter C, stacks. Letter D, lateral sewers. The answer is letter A, house drains. Question number 24. House sewer is part of the plumbing system, which extends blank from the foundation of the wall of the building. Letter A, 0.3 meter. Letter B, 0.45 meter. Letter C, 0.25 meter. Letter D, 0.6 meter. The answer is letter D, 0.6 meter. Question number 25. Confusion has been created in many codes and technical articles by loose terminology and not making a clear distinction between ejectors and sumps. Which of the following is true about ejectors and sumps? Letter A, an ejector handles clear water, and a sump handles sewage. Letter B, an ejector handles sewage, and a sump handles clear water. Letter C, an ejector handles sewage, and a sump handles rainwater. Letter D, an ejector handles groundwater, and a sump handles clear water. The answer is letter B, an ejector handles sewage, and a sump handles clear water.
And that's all for this set. Now, put your score in the comment section. If you find this video interesting and informative, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates. Thank you and good luck future master plumbers.